Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Are you ready to make money while you sleep? Well, you're in the right place. This is IRN, and in this video, we're going to talk about passive income ideas and how you can make money while you sleep. We'll cover everything from understanding what passive income is to how to invest in it and profit from it. We'll be discussing the different types of passive income, the benefits of passive income, and the best ways to invest in it. Plus, we'll share some tips on how to create your own passive income streams and avoid common mistakes. First, let's talk about what passive income is. Passive income is a type of income where you earn money without having to actively participate in the process. This can be done through investments, rental properties, or even through a business that you have set up to run on its own. The idea is to make money with minimal effort. Passive income has many benefits. It provides financial freedom, it can increase your income, and it can also provide security and stability. Unlike active income, where you have to trade your time for money, passive income allows you to earn money even when you're not working. This means you have more time to spend with family, travel, or pursue other interests. Additionally, passive income can help you to achieve your financial goals faster, whether it's paying off debt, saving for retirement, or building wealth. There are many ways to earn passive income. Some of the most popular include rental properties, dividend stocks, peer-to-peer lending, and affiliate marketing. Each one has its own unique advantages and disadvantages, and it's important to find the one that best suits your goals and risk tolerance. Now, if you're interested in creating your own passive income streams, there are a few things you should keep in mind. First, start small and diversify. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Second, do your research and seek out the help of experts. And third, be patient and persistent. Creating passive income streams takes time and effort, but it can be well worth it in the long run. And lastly, don't believe anyone who tells you they've got a get-rich-quick scheme. Passive income is not a magic solution. It takes hard work and dedication. But once you find the right stream and make it work for you, you'll be living the dream of making money while you sleep, or watching TV, or traveling, or whatever you like to do while your money works for you. In summary, passive income is a type of income where you earn money without actively participating in the process. It has many benefits, including financial freedom, increased income, and stability. There are many ways to earn passive income, such as rental properties, dividend stocks, peer-to-peer lending, and affiliate marketing. To create your own passive income streams, you should start small, diversify, do your research, and be patient. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on passive income and other investment topics. And leave a comment with your thoughts on passive income. We'd love to hear from you. And remember, with passive income, you can finally say goodbye to your alarm clock unless you want to use it to wake up to check your bank account.